So in our education we need to, many changes, like in our fields, a lot of fields. We think the one point, I think, in every field, that our study is not interesting. Like everywhere, all the fields, they all say that they put all the students, a lot of burden on the students. Like they only want to say the students that they should learn only these subjects: English, Urdu, math, science, computer, like all these, physics, chemistry, like all these subjects they should learn, but they're not making the study interesting, only cramming base and teaching to the students, and then students are not enjoying. They are feeling too much bored and doing cramming, but they are not learning that subject. What is the main point? That students are doing cramming and the study is not interesting. So we should, in every school, every field, the study should be interesting, because when study is not interesting, student feel the study burden, and after that they only want to do cramming and pass the exams. After that they forget that. Whenever they go for any job, any business, they do something, so when they forget study, they don't know how to earn or something else. Like many people in our school, they think that, like many students, they feel panic after that. Literally we think that study is boring, but study is not boring. Which, if we make study interesting, it is very interesting and we will enjoy study. Second thing, in our in many schools, there are subject in English, like chemistry, physics, bio, all these. But the students, all these students, they are learning after physics, biochemistry. So the teachers, they are teaching in Urdu, but the subjects are in English, so they forget the English language and they teach in Urdu language. So they, like this, the English language, this is working. Like every student, they want to learn English language. We don't know that, many people don't know the advantages of English language, but when we know in, English language, so we can be successful in many fields of life. Because like in our school, there is a rule, English language. So we hear everyone, one thing, we enjoy too much by English language. Second thing, we have the skill of learning. Like we know English language. When many people, they know English language, they can learn many, very well. Like all the subjects are in English. So they should, there should be one rule, they should change in, study purpose, there should be English language. The language should be English, that should be used. And the other thing, the third thing, I think, so that they should, the students should not be panicked, because when they are confused for that thing, so they cannot learn studies. Like sometimes there are many subjects, when their exams are very near, they think if exams will be there, when exams time will come, we will learn very quickly and we will get the result very well. But when they are panicked, so they cannot learn something. When they are, the study is interesting, so they can learn very well. And all the students, they should make the study very interesting, and they should not make boring. And other thing, like many parents, they think that mobile is not good. This is disadvantage, one of the disadvantage for the society. But the mobile, that is very important thing, that will play a very important role in our life. Like sometimes, if any kind of business we want to, for example, my aim is to be a writer and a motivational speaker. So how can I become a writer without a mobile? Like whenever I write a book, I will sit at home, so I cannot publish my book without mobile. Whenever I use titles, I make banners and I share on, social media, so then people will see, then they, my business will start working. So there is a lack of mobile. Like many people, they think mobile is not good. So on the other hand, like if I want to become a motivational speaker, not here where I will sit, how can I become motivational speaker? So may attach your goal, like mobile is very important. If I will make a clip, I will share on the YouTube, like social media, so many people will listen and I want to motivate other person. So whenever you want something, the mobile is very important. In many schools should be allowed that mobile, this make the person advantage, and this will be very helpful for all the students. And on the other hand, that the teachers, they should make the study very interesting, because when the teachers, they feel the study bored whenever they were in their life, they think that study, like no, our relatives, many people, I think so, they learn alphabets letter, alphabetical letter, I think so, they learn in 3 or 4 class. Like I asked my grandparents, they all say that yes, we have learned in 5 class, I think so, alphabetical letter. So they all learned other subject, English, they left English subject, Urdu, math, other all subjects, but they don't know English. So whenever they come in 5 to 6 class, so they learn English. And after that, it will be very helpful for all the students. And we should work with the society. Like whenever society is moving on, so we should not leave ourselves back. We should move on and always work for interesting things.